Hi viewers, this is all about Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister and former IFS officer. His speech in UN General Assembly, just in a passive talk, in an indirect talk about Pakistan. He says the neighboring state is a terrorist center. You have sheltered Bin Laden and you are nourishing the terrorist camps. You are training them and conducting camps. And you are responsible for terrorism all over the world, wherever it is possible. Even the USA was attacked in on September 11, 2001. So nobody is an exception, whether it is Canada or Europe or any other country. Terrorism roots are in Pakistan. So that was all said by Jaishankar, and in the perpetrating situations of the world, terrorism has to be ended up, and all the countries have to come up to fight against the terrorism center and the centralization of terrorism in Pakistan. So even now, Israel also has concentrated very much on Pakistan, and Benjamin Netanyahu also commented on Pakistan about his terroristic activities and regarding his relations with Iran and all other Islamic fraternity in the Gulf or in the Middle East. So the Israel focuses on whichever country, it will be destroyed like anything. So now Jaishankar also says that India should not depend on any other country, and it should not be unilateral, whether in defense or in trade or any way. It should have multilateral options, whatever it may be, either in trade or in defense supplies or in oil supplies. So India has said that if you feel that we are encouraging Russia for the war against Ukraine, then you allow us to take crude oil from Iran, and you stop sanctions on us, so that we will think about taking crude oil supply from Russia. So it is cheaper. So India has every right to purchase from the cheaper supplier, either it is Russia or Iran or Venezuela. So that's what proclaimed or declared by Jaishankar in UNO General Assembly. So India has raised its voice against terrorism and its voice against the Trump's activities, and recently, yesterday, Trump also imposed 100% tariffs on the movies which were shot outside America. So California or the Hollywood is the base for Hollywood movies, but recently our Telugu and Hindi Indian movies were all been released and collected in millions and millions dollars. So this is also a bitter tablet to Trump. So he wants to stop the other nations, other countries' movies in his country, and he's focusing on the development of Hollywood. So thus he declared this also, along with pharma. Pharma was also 100% tariff now. So he is taking all very harsh and rude steps against other countries, including India and China, and some other countries also. So let us hope for a better multilateral relations, and we will give a great answer to the Trump's drama of meeting with Hasim Munir and Shahbaz Sharif recently, and we will also welcome and organize a grand party and grand meeting, great meeting with Vladimir Putin in the coming future, and we will also telecast in all our channels, which will reach to Trump, and he will learn a big lesson from his monopolizing tendencies and the dictatorship. Almost he is behaving like a dictator in the way of making America great. So AGA, America great again, he wants to see. So he is focusing on all fields and trying to curb the other nations' freedom, trade, defense, everything. So let us not tolerate this. Okay, this is all up to now. Like, share and subscribe Shyamla channel. Bye. Good night.